Today I will be explaining to you Chapter 10, or cell division. Cell division is the process by which a cell divides into two new daughter cells. There are two phases to cell division. Inner phase, which is pictured in the yellow, and then the M phase, which is in purple. So there are three subcategories to inner phase: G1, S, and G2. In G1, the cell starts to grow. Next, in S, the DNA is synthesized or replicated. After that is G2, in which the cell starts to prepare for mitosis, which is the first step of the M phase. So during mitosis, there are four different phases to mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The first step is prophase. During prophase, the chromosomes start to condense. They can easily be seen as individuals too, around a nuclear envelope that's slowly starting to disappear. Centrioles also start to form at the poles and move towards them, as spindle fibers are also starting to form, which are going to connect to the centrioles. The next step is metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosomes, which are these X's, line up in the middle of the cell across what is called the metaphase plate. So it would be from right here all the way to there. Then the centrioles are perfectly aligned at each of the poles, the centrioles being these little dots right here, and the spindle fibers are connected to each of them. The spindle fibers are also connected to the middle of the chromosome, which is called the centromere. So the next step is anaphase, in which the cell starts to spread out a little more, and these are called the sister chromatids. They separate and start to move towards the poles, but they're still connected to the spindle fibers, which are connected to the centrioles. The final step of mitosis is called telophase. In telophase, a nuclear envelope starts to form around the four new chromosomes on each side, and then the cell starts to pinch, similar to the shape of an hourglass or a shape of 8, and leaves cleavage right here and here. This leads us into the next step, which is into the next subphase of the M phase, which is cytokinesis, where during cytokinesis, the cytoplasm is pinched into like two nearly equal parts, and each part contains its own nucleus and cytoplasmic organelles. So it has a completely formed nucleus with 4 completely new chromosomes, and these two cells are identical, or called clones. So this pretty much sums up the Chapter 10 cell division.